Greetings, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make simple pockets from book pages to go into your junk journal. I use this book. I got a book from second-hand shop, 3 books for £1, and the books I went for the pockets, I made sure that the pages were quite thick. So I'm going to quickly show you how to make them. You'll need some paper and glue from your book and bend it back so you kind of like crease or crack the spine. I just take out a page at a time. And just take your time and just work with the page, and there you go. And then what you want to do is the part you've pulled from the book, that's the bit we're going to hide. So this is going to be your pocket basically. So you can choose how high or low you go. The lower you go, the bigger your pocket. The higher you go, the smaller your pocket. So we'll just go halfway. And then, you're going to need scissors. So crease that down. Now, this is going to be determine how wide your pocket's going to be. So you fold the one side over. Obviously, you'll know for your junk journal how much space that you have. Crease there as well. This one, if you want to go straight over, you can do that. If you want to go bigger, you can go that way. You can go smaller from that side. It's totally up to you. I always bring my left side in first and then gauge for my right. I usually go to the point, depending how much paper I've got left over. So what I would do now is where you've creased, cut on those. And then turn it over, and then you see where it's creased here, you want to cut these off. Do not throw these away, because you're going to have a lot depending on how many pockets you make. Do not throw them away. They're going to come in handy. Just keep them to one side and watch out for my videos. That's what I'm going to say. So now we're left with this. So this is basically going to be your pocket. How cool is that? Pretty quick, yeah? So get your glue. So you want your glue to be as thin as possible, because the thinner it is, the quicker it will dry. So first of all, I always glue the tab first, because that's going to take the first side, and then just line up the bottom. And there's your pocket. There's your pocket. When all your pockets are dry, and then you need to make your thingies. These ones I've made, and as you can see, them all like half a circle. And I didn't put them all in the middle either. Make up your own rules. So as you can see, all different size pockets there. So for those pockets, I used a hole punch. And then you've got your hole. I'm going to give you some ideas now for some other alternatives. So these ones I made. Yeah, I got a bit carried away with making pockets. These ones are square. And I thought these were like really cute. A bit different. And again, not in the center. And here we go. So I had a square hole, a square punch, circle punch, square punch. But what about if you haven't got no punches? Not a problem. Scissors. I mean, there's literally no right or wrong way. You can cut whatever shape you want. You can cut a triangle. It can be as deep or as shallow as you want it to be. There we go. There's the opening. You know, there is literally, you can put whatever you want in there. Here's some that I did. Some more. Yeah, I told you I got carried away with making pockets. None of them, look to that one. Miss, have I got some paper to show you there we go. But it works. So really there's no right or wrong way of having an opening. Yeah, you can create whatever opening you want, to be honest. I'm going to show you something else about your pockets. So this is the junk journal that I made. If you want to know how I made the junk journal, I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can go check that out. This keeps them bending over. So let's stick some pockets on here to stop them from bending over. So again, you want some glue, but you don't want it too thick. So I had an idea when I was thinking of doing this, is that put your pocket on. And I'm like, well, you don't have to do it linear there. Why can't you like do that? You know, but you have to make sure that there and there is secure. Don't worry, I'm talking to myself. Okay, there we go. And then let's look at some other ones. See, that now is like a heavy page now. Let's find the other ones. I'm going to put one on here. And what happens is if you're using wrapping paper, if you go to your card shops or markets after Christmas, you can get them like really cheap. Christmas is over, so they get rid of them. Ready. See, you can have them ready for when you're ready to do your junk journals or anything else, or just have them for wrapping paper for when you need wrapping paper. Okay, now the book's getting a bit more chunky. Okay, so let's go through the book. There we go. Let me just find some cards that we can pop in. So it'll be there. How's that? Looks nice, doesn't it? The pieces that you cut off to make your pockets, keep them. There's a video coming up that will show you how you can use these in your junk journal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.